So I'm assuming this is it because, you know, it does say Xbox on the box, but it's been so long, it's probably collected a lot more dust than expected. Alright. We can do it here, but I'm just gonna grab the TV from downstairs.
Okay.
So.
Oh, wait, I want to go shopping.
Have you done anything except be home and come here since you've been back? The look on your face says it all.
I've gone to like the store, I think 15 times.
What store is it? The same store?
It's Costco and Walmart, Target, and Home Depot.
You've actually been to more places than I have.
Not by choice. My mom goes, "You need to leave the house for some air." I'm just like, "You're right," but like.
Hey guys, what's up? This is my nephew. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Isaiah. I go by Zay by the family. It's Zay by the family. I'm 11 years younger than you. I forget that sometimes.
I forget how old I am. I feel like I'm still in my 20s.
I've been telling you that you're like, for some reason I thought you were 34 and you're fully 34.
I'm not even 33. What are you doing?
I know, that's why I feel bad and messy. Because I'm only 21. I'm like, oh, he's like 32.
People think that you're my brother.
People think I'm my mom's brother.
They ask me they're like, in Tagalog, like, kapatid mo? I'm like, no, it's my nephew.
By 11 years. By 11 years.
Yeah, 11 years. He's coming from, he's home for the, I was going to say home for the holidays. Oh my God.
I'm home because of Rona.
Yeah, because of the Rona. Because of COVID-19.
I mean,
yes.
I would be home now, if it was in
By
normal, by now, but like I've been home since March 20th.
He's back, he's back for, for as long as there's no school. He just graduated from what do you...
Ball State University.
With what?
I got, it's a major in criminal justice and criminology, so 2 majors, and then a minor in history. Yeah. I got cum laude for my major.
Cum laude? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, congratulations to the cum laude. I think you're the first, or I don't know if there's any other cum laude.
I feel like Auntie Joanne would be one.
Maybe. Well, she is smart enough.
She's a brain.
Smart enough.
She's a brain. I feel like you'd be Auntie Joanne. Oh yeah, if my freshman year I didn't have that huge like culture shock of being away from home, being in a different state, being in Indiana.
Yeah.
Make your assumptions of how I look being in Indiana. It's like a whole thing.
Yeah. So. He's home for in the meantime while we have this Rona shutting down everything. So the reason why he's here is because I've been having issues with my Xbox, and then I just decided, you know what? This is one game that I really wanted to play, but my Xbox One didn't want to cooperate.
I still have the other controller for this.
Yeah. Oh,
my
wow.
controller.
Oh, wow.
I have. Yeah, I still have it.
Yeah. Wow.
Right?
Wow.
It's just in my room.
Wow. The problem about my Xbox One, which I've had since 2015. Yes, it's been 2015 since I've had it. Yes, it's 5 years. And I'm like, about last year, 2 years ago, there's a game I really wanted to play, but this one didn't want to cooperate. So I decided to go back to the PlayStation with a PS4. It's been sitting, and he had an Xbox
360. I had the
Xbox
Slim.
360. Yeah, he's still. How long do you have the Xbox 360?
I've had that since like 2010, 2011.
Holy shit! I was still in school back then.
Bruh. I was in middle school.
So now, he really wants to play the Resident Evil 3 remake. Yeah, he really wants to.
Oh, I love it.
So it's like, but the problem is, it doesn't support Xbox 360. But he's here to help me, fix my Xbox One, so that way, whenever he wants to, he can just come over here and play the game. And I'm also, when it's fixed, planning on shipping this over to my cousin in the Philippines, just so he can have something to do during this. They have their own quarantine, their own lockdown in the Philippines, which sucks because they can't really go anywhere. So my plan is get this up and running, ship it over there. So let's get right to it. Hopefully it'll fix itself. You ready, Zay?
Yeah, I know.
How do you know that? That's so cool.
I have been so invested into K-pop and stuff recently. Well, reinvested. I was really into it when I was younger.
I'm not really into that, but I already know that Filipinos are so deep with the K-pop.
Yeah, this means heart. It means I love you. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the idols do it. Except I can't do it with my right.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's perfect.
You wanna knock yourself out with that?
Yeah, let's see. There's a whole bunch of different errors messages that could come up. And
I give up.
So it really just depends on what the error message is.
PlayStation back then.
Isn't there an outlet back here? I only know this because I only knew this because I used to charge my phone back here. That is not the right. That was something that connected. They were both wires. I was like, oh, this is
this is not the right orientation.
I this is so wrong.
This is not the right orientation. we were misled. See the way I'm running? So I know what's going on, what's wrong with it in the future. Did you even turn on the TV? Because this is not a smart TV. Sorry. Right here. This is year 2015 TV, Jay. Jeez, this is humid.
No, it's fine.
No, I'm talking about the heat.
No. Just
I don't. It's been a while, so.
This one, yeah, they're dead. I'm just saying this one is. They're for sure dead. She does not care about him.
We need more. So apparently, all right. So
this is frozen.
No, it's loading up. That's how it is.
What kind of loading screen doesn't have a loading bar?
That's Xbox
or
for you.
even like a little.
That's
just give me a little one. Like just give me like a little ring. Like, that's all I need.
That's Xbox for you.
What's wrong with it?
Now it's fine.
I think.
But sometimes, especially depends on the game.
Do you try to play online and that's when it tells you something's wrong?
Yeah.
Well, that means your Xbox Live thing's just expired.
No, the last time I still had Xbox Live, and the last time I played it was like half the time. Yeah, I have like 2 different accounts. And then sometimes right here it gets stuck right there.
It's not exactly.
Gotta even check the size though.
I don't know. I was like, it's stupid.
And my internet is better than the last time. Okay.
There are games that are bigger than that.
Yeah, but
I have games bigger than that.
Whenever there's like the word update, the fact that there's a word update, it scares you sometimes because it takes.
This thing updates in like under 5 minutes. It's amazing. I know I don't have any Wi-Fi. I just want to see if you let me open it. I don't want to play it right now. I don't have headphones.
Normal traffic.
Yeah.
It'll be done by the time you get to Costco in Oak Brook.
Yeah, I was like. I need to get stuff for school. Nope, did not let that work. Idea. Like how much, like how important a lot.
Especially with these people who like, yeah.
Well,
it's like the same situation except they don't know.
Yeah, like if they're new, like you would never know how much like Oak Park supports Gina, how much like.
2,000 years later.
I got my Switch. I refuse. Oh, don't worry.
Update. It's an update now.
Oh, don't worry. I wasn't gonna like cancel it. Oh, hell no. No, I draw the line. I draw the line on these games. I draw a line. They're like, make it barely visible, and it's like black. And I'm like,
I don't know where I'm shooting.
I'm like, listen, I got a limit, and this is the limit. I know what you're talking about.
Okay.
I don't know who thought that looked appetizing.
I was planning on gifting this to someone back in the Philippines. You think your Kuya Janjan's gonna like this because I was gonna give it to him.
Jun.
Are you gonna let the whole thing play?
I can't skip it.
It says pause menu.
Yeah, pause. Oh my god, why isn't there just a skip button?
All right, press pause.
10 seconds into the game, you told me that the pause button meant skip. I just know I have to walk towards here.
So if you had to choose between the light that you already have and a new Xbox, which would you choose?
See, here's the thing. It depends, because like I love Nintendo games, but there are just certain games that like you have to play on like a console, like a PlayStation or an Xbox. Like fighting games, it's not the same on a Nintendo.
Right.
Like so that's like kind of like so. Because I was like, oh, I might save up and buy an Xbox come fall.
Yeah.
When I get paid.
Which one are you trying to get?
Are you okay?
There's no particular one. I just want an Xbox. Probably an Xbox One. Might get the new one. Probably not. Because I'm not that huge of a quote unquote gamer.
Oh,
so
yeah.
it's like why would I spend money on like the Pro model? I don't need the Pro
I
model.
mean, like you got a message for your Kuya Janjan on his future gift.
It's really fun.
Yes.
Both your auntie Agatha and your Kuya Janjan has one thing to tell you.
What? Hello.
Happy graduation.
Oh, thank you.
What you just fixed is now yours.
What? Really? I feel so stupid. I was like, thank you. What when I told everyone? I don't expect anything. That's why I'm like, oh, thank you. Saying happy graduation was enough for me. Wow, I'm my mom's son. Oh, thank you.
Happy graduation.
See, now I'm hot.
Now you're
Now I'm hot. I'm slightly embarrassed, but now I'm really hot. Like I'm very hot in my windbreaker now.
They caught you off guard.
Yeah. Yeah, because my response was thank you. It wasn't, oh yeah, of course it was, oh thank you for saying happy graduation. That was my response. What the hell?
So happy graduation gift.
Great, now I'm not gonna sleep. I already don't
Well, you
sleep.
have nothing else to do. It's a
Yeah.
quarantine.
I know, but like going to sleep at 6 in the morning and waking up at 1 isn't like
Like
a
you don't
healthy-
already do that.
I don't though. That's the crazy part. It's been a recent development.
I already
this
know
week.
you because I was like, you know what?
It's been recent this week. Like the past 2 months has been going to sleep at like 11, waking up at like 8. Also, I had school, but like, that's besides the point. It's like, I blame anime. I've finished so many.
Hey, hon, what do you have to say, hon?
Well, thank you, Auntie. Auntie, you should try Sims. Well, I think it's thank you because like we spent a lot of time playing on this when you first got it, like Mortal Kombat. What is it? Division.
Yeah.
Call of Duty, Resident Evil 6. You played a lot. So like I don't know. I think it means a lot because like I know how much time we've played on it.
Yeah.
And like I actually get to play on it too now. Like so that's like it's just really fun. And like I appreciate video games. Like our whole family plays video games. So I think it's just really nice to like now have it after like all said and done.
I already had this planned out before your graduation party.
Really?
Curbside had it planned because I'm like, there's no use. I'm like, I've been planning to gift this to you for like months, but I just didn't know the perfect timing. And I'm like,
also Rona didn't help.
yeah. Can't really wait for his birthday is until like September. That's gonna be some months from now.
I wouldn't even be here.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys had fun watching this epic reaction, give this video a thumbs up. And what's last but not least, Zay?
Don't die from Rona.
Bruh.
That's real life. Don't be stupid. Wear a mask.
Nah. Like, share.
Oh, it's like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah. But also wear a mask.
Wear a mask. We're inside. We're inside, and there's only 2 of us
Yeah,
here.
but if you're going outside, wear a mask. Don't be that person.
Hit the subscribe button, guys. Till next video, guys.
Peace.
Peace out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We live, baby. He's gonna be playing this all night.
I am. It's so limited. The space is so limited. I'm so used to Resident Evil 6 where it's like 30 slots.
Oh yeah.
Now it's like you got 8. Make it work.
Because it's the original.
I know it is. I know I meet Leon eventually, right? I don't have bullets for this. Oh my gosh.